Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. And today we're gonna do another quick install on the 2021 Widebody Dodge Challenger catback. As you guys saw from the title description and the thumbnail, I'll be replacing all of these silver lug nuts. I'll be actually using one of these. They're black wheel lug nuts, but this one has something special. Take a look close. It's a magic lug nut because I can do this and boom, look at that. Just by doing that, all the lug nuts are now black. Now, before we get into that, it's not just simple nuts that we're gonna switch. I'm gonna show you how to properly take care of the black wheels that you don't want to scratch, and that's something very important. Talking about scratch, before we jump into the video, look at this. I took a curb with me the other day. I went to a very narrow ATM, obviously to get some cash, and heading out, bam, I hit the wheels. It hurt, not gonna lie. Barely did the first payment on the car and scratched the wheels, but I mean, things happen. Now, if you are in the DFW area and you know a very good shop that doesn't take too long, because it's my daily, I can borrow my wife's car a day or two, but I need something done very good and hopefully very quick. If not, I'll wait, but if it's quicker, it's better. So if you guys know of any shop, please hit me up on IG, or leave the name of the company down in the description. I'll find it, or the phone number, and then we'll go from there. But for today and right now, let's jump into the magic install. Boom. Okay guys, these are the products that we'll be using today. In here there's all the black lug nuts that we're going to be using. This is the V-lock with the adapter, which is obviously make it safer for you to use. Nothing is 100% secure. Anything can be stolen if somebody really wants to steal it. But other than that, I bought this one. It's a 22mm deep socket, and it's kind of a plastic-ish material, so it doesn't scratch right here on black wheels, which with your regular one it can happen. So some kind of a nice safety feature. They're not very expensive. I believe I paid $12 for this, so I will leave the link down into the description. So I actually already opened it just to make sure everything is good and everything looks great. This is the bag with all the black lug nuts, and here are some instructions. I already have the socket, so right now we only need an impact driver. I have a 1/2 inch impact driver right here, so I got an adapter that's gonna go right here for that. Let me find it and then we'll get going. There we go. So this one we're gonna put right here, and let's see how we're gonna lose this thing up. I need both hands, give me a second. Here we go. We remove the plastic, and this one will connect right here. There we go. That's what we'll be using today. Let me move the car out of the way. Hey, I haven't done a cold start since I got the mid muffler delete, so it's gonna be a fairly loud one. Okay, the car is very dirty right now, as you guys can see. Let me see. It is dirty. It's kind of still a nice, beautiful and hot day, so I'll be washing the car later tonight when the sun goes down. It's cooler and it's nicer to do it. I got the set right here ready to go. Basically you just go like any other vehicle, cross, and then pretty much replace them one by one, and one of them you use the wheel lock, which let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's replace them. Very easy. Right now I'm gonna actually manually put them in. And then gonna give it just a little bit of torque. Let's replace the other two. Now we're gonna get the last one out. Good. So here you got a specific pattern. This is the female, we got here the male, and they will connect, and then you can use your socket again to put them on. Let's set it manually again. There we go. Now that's it for now. Let me show you what I normally do in this situation. I was looking and reading how much torque I can put on these wheel lock nuts. The regular wheel nuts you put around 80 to 90 as of Google. I typically do them between 75 and 80. So here's where the torque wrench comes into play. This will just avoid you to over torque anything, which is handy. Most likely all of you guys know how to use one of these in case you're a car enthusiast, and hopefully that's why you're looking at the channel and stuff like that. In case you didn't know, the torque wrench, you set it up here how much torque you want it to put on it, and once you reach it, you will hear like click. Now I can use it straight from here, but the offset of this wheel is a little bit too deep, so it's a 1/2 inch extension right here, and this one I'll add to the torque wrench. Now this is for all these four black lug nuts. Now I'm gonna set it up here to 80. Not sure if you guys can catch it on camera. Let me zoom it in real quick. Right now you release the pressure down here, it's at 30, and we're gonna keep on spinning, and we're gonna get in between the 70 and the 90, which that should be 80 right there. This one you lock towards the bottom, and that's it. Let's put it on. There we go. As soon as you hear that noise, you let go. And I did the same thing over here. Good. Last one here. There we go. Now for the last one on the wheel lock, as I showed you guys earlier, the male goes into the female. You want to securely put it in, make sure it's locked, and then you add your torque wrench on it. There we go. Perfect. This one you put it in a secure place so people can't find it too easy. Now that we got the first one out of the way, let me show you the after. And look at the before. I mean, if you're a car enthusiast, you will notice right away that everything black makes more sense than having the silver. Now that you guys know the drill, I'm gonna put some good music on, and then we're gonna work on the other three. Let me show you. Man, everything is looking very nice. These black wheels now, that's how a black wheel should look like. Very nice and easy. Bye neighbor. Summer recording. Now, it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon, as I said before. It's humid, I'm sweating. I don't feel I did too much job here today, but the humidity sucks. But earlier I was actually watching a video, a very nice video by the way. If you guys don't follow my boy Thedutchtexan, please, you guys are missing out. He does a phenomenal job of reviewing cars. He visits different car shows here in the DFW area, and he's been doing this for a while. He's on the north part of 10,000 subscribers. I don't remember exactly how much, but he's very humble guy. As soon as I got the wide body, I called him and say, hey, my bad, I know just a few weeks ago we did a full review on my previous car and I felt bad that we recorded it. I thought personally he wanted to discard the whole video that we did. That's me thinking, and focus on this one. And he said, no, congratulations on your new vehicle. And that just made me feel very nice, and he's a very cool guy. And you guys will see that how much effort he puts into a video. And he said, there's no bad news here. Look at the bright way. In the future, he can do a review on a newer version with a wide body and all the changes that this has versus the other one, which will be a nice comparison. And man, he did a great job at it. I will leave his link down into the description. Here is his name, Thedutchtexan. He's been doing this for a while, like I said before. But please rock with him, subscribe to his channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Out.